Dr. Ossman, can you tell us a little about hair doctors and share an overview of your journey since our last visit and the factors that contributed most to the clinic's growth and success, especially with the recent expansion to Melbourne and Brisbane?
So Hair Doctors started as a family-run clinic in Sydney, and over the years we've grown into one of Australia's most trusted names in hair transplantation. Our success comes down to a few things: cutting-edge technology, highly skilled teams, and a patient-first approach. We don't just do transplants, we change lives by restoring confidence. The demand for high-quality, ethical hair restoration led us to expand to Melbourne and soon Brisbane, making it easier for patients to access our expertise without travelling interstate.
Hair Doctors is a leader in hair transplant technology in Australia. What significant advancements in procedures and treatments have revolutionised the industry in the last few years?
The industry has seen massive improvements in both surgical and non-surgical treatments. Better implantation tools and robotics have improved accuracy and natural-looking results. Non-surgical treatments like PRF and exosomes have also been game changers, allowing patients to improve and strengthen existing hairs and improve transplant success rates. One of the biggest advancements that often goes unnoticed is the role of precision microscopy. With Mantis microscopes, we're able to count the exact number of follicles per graft, ensuring the right grafts are placed in the right areas. This prevents common mistakes like placing multi-hair grafts in the hairline, which can lead to an unnatural appearing hairline. Tools like these have elevated the quality of transplants significantly.
At Hair Doctors, you mainly use the FUE, the follicular unit extraction method, for hair transplants. Can you explain this procedure?
So FUE is a minimally invasive technique where we extract individual follicular units from the donor area, typically the back of the head, using a specialised punch tool. These follicles are then carefully implanted into areas of hair loss. Unlike older strip methods, FUE leaves no linear scars and allows for a natural looking result with faster healing times. Precision is key, and that's where tools like the Mantis microscope play a huge role in ensuring the best placement of grafts.
In 2022, you purchased the Mantis Compact Eyepieceless Stereo Microscope to examine, prepare and sort harvested hair follicles. How do bright 3D images and 6 times magnification enhance your ability to perform detailed hair grafting procedures?
The Mantis Compact was a game changer for us. The bright 3D imaging and magnification allows us to clearly see the follicular units and count the exact number of hairs per graft. This is critical because different areas of the scalp require different graft types. Single hairs for the hairline, doubles and triples for density. Without this level of precision, you risk creating an unnatural or pluggy looking hair transplant.
Are there any specific techniques or unique ways your team uses the Mantis Stereo Microscope that have contributed to better procedural outcomes?
Yes, we've developed a structured graft sorting protocol using the Mantis, ensuring that each follicular unit is properly categorized before implantation. Our technicians use the microscope to count the exact number of hairs per graft, which prevents errors like placing multi-hair grafts in the hairline. This level of accuracy makes a huge difference in achieving a natural and soft-looking hair transplant result.
Can you share a specific scenario where the Mantis system allowed you to work more effectively or achieve better results?
One example that comes to mind is a patient who had a previous transplant at another clinic that left them with unnatural hairlines due to misplaced multi-hair grafts within the hairline itself. We used the Mantis microscope to carefully identify, sort single hair grafts, then meticulously reconstruct their hairline. The difference was night and day, and the patient was thrilled with the outcome. Without the Mantis, it would have been a much harder task to ensure that level of precision.
At the Melbourne Clinic, you used the new 3rd generation Mantis Iota on the Verso arm with a wider viewing screen. How does the long working distance and depth perception improve your hand-to-eye coordination when preparing follicles for graft placement?
The long working distance and ergonomic design make a big difference for our team. It allows for a better posture, reducing fatigue, which is crucial for long procedures. The wider screen and improved depth perception also speed up the graft sorting process, making it easier to count and categorize follicles efficiently. This results in a smoother workflow and even better precision when preparing grafts.
Examining and preparing hundreds of harvested follicles is precise work and is physically demanding. Can you speak about the benefits of maintaining a natural posture while using the Mantis?
One of the biggest challenges in this field is a strain on the neck and back from prolonged periods of looking through traditional microscopes. The Mantis's eyepiece-free design allows our team to sit comfortably with a straight posture, reducing fatigue. This means better focus and steadier hands, which ultimately benefits our patients.
How has the freedom of head movement offered by the Mantis affected your approach to intricate tasks?
It's given us more flexibility in how we work. Being able to move freely without having to constantly adjust our positioning makes it easier to focus on delicate graft handling and placement. This level of control is essential when working with thousands of individual follicles in a single session.
The Mantis Iota has a few simple operating controls, and users can wear prescription glasses without performance loss. What feedback have you received from your staff regarding ease of use, and which features have proven to be the most valuable for your practice?
Our team loves how user-friendly the Mantis is. The fact that they can wear glasses while operating without losing clarity is a big plus. The simple controls and ergonomic design make it easy to use for long periods, and the clear, bright imaging ensures there's no guesswork when sorting grafts.
How has the Mantis improved the overall quality of your hair transplantation procedures?
It has taken our precision to the next level. We can ensure every graft is perfectly sorted, which translates to natural results and higher patient satisfaction. It also improves efficiency, reducing surgical time and improving patient comfort.
What excites you most about the future of hair doctors and the role of microscopy technology in your clinics?
The role of precision microscopy in hair transplants is only going to grow. With tools like the Mantis Iota, we're pushing the boundaries of what's possible in graft sorting and placement. Future developments in microscopy could allow for even higher magnifications, AI-assisted follicle counting, and better integration with robotic transplant technology. At Hair Doctors, we're excited to continue leading the way in adopting these advancements, ensuring our patients get the best possible results.
Can you share your experience with Hawker Richardson's service and support? And would you recommend the Mantis stereo microscope to other hair transplant clinics?
The support from Hawker Richardson has been fantastic. They've been great at helping us integrate the technology into our workflows. I'd absolutely recommend the Mantis to other clinics. It's an investment in precision, and when it comes to hair transplants, precision makes all the difference.